Hi guys, and welcome back, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this very sexy sultry brown smoky eye makeup look by just using one Kohl pencil. The main focus of this look is on the eyes, that's why the rest of the face is very minimal, very basic, and of course I paired it with a nude lipstick. So yeah, if you wanna know how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So starting off with a serum on my face to make my skin look well hydrated, and I'm applying it all over my face, then let it gonna sit for 2-3 minutes, and then I will move on to the moisturizer. Okay, now that is done, I'm gonna use a face cream from Good Vibes. This is a really good option for normal to dry skin type people, and I love using it under my makeup. First I'm gonna apply it and then I'm gonna massage it into my skin, and you can clearly see how I am massaging my skin. It also gonna give me a very flushed look, and it also takes care of the extra puffiness and those toxins of my skin. Now let's move on to the primer, and this one is my absolutely favorite. You guys have seen me using this a lot in my videos, and this has a pink tinge to it that takes care of that dullness that I have on my skin. Okay, now let's move on to the foundation, and I always mix 103 and 104 from this range, and this is a really good foundation for oily skin people. I'm not gonna use it all over my face, I'm just gonna use it on only those areas where I need a little bit of coverage, and also I'm not gonna use any concealer today. So I'm gonna apply the foundation under my eyes where I need a little bit of coverage because I have a little bit of dark circle there, then on the cheeks where I have a little bit of acne marks, and around my mouth area, and that's it. Now let's move on to the brows, and with the help of a pencil I'm just filling in those gaps and sparse areas, and I'm outlining my brows a little bit, and yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna go ham with my brows today because I already have a smoky eye, and especially when you are going for a smoky eye, keep your brows very natural looking and very minimal. Don't go for stark brows, especially if you are doing a smoky eye makeup look. Okay, now I'm going to use a banana powder to set those areas where I applied a little bit of foundation. I have super duper oily skin, that's why I'm using a powder to set my foundation. Now if you have normal to dry skin, you don't even have to use a powder, because this foundation has a powdery matte finish, and if you don't have oily skin, you don't have to set it. Then I'm using a brow gel to set my brows on place. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes, and I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes waterproof Kohl Kajal, and this is the only Kohl Kajal I'm gonna use today to create that brown smoky sultry sexy eye makeup look. And also I'm gonna show you step by step how I created this eye makeup look so that it would be easier for you to recreate. And of course, if you recreate this look, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. So as you can see, I'm just doing everything very step by step, and I'm doing one spot at a time. First I'm outlining my eyes, then I'm tightlining my eyes, and then I'm smudging it out, and I'm doing one spot at a time so that that kohl doesn't set on my eyes, and if it sets, it would be very difficult for me to smudge it out. So when my upper lash line is done, I'm doing my bottom lash line, and I'm applying the kohl and then smudging it out, then applying it again and smudging it again. Now for this makeup look, you need a very tiny small flat top brush to blend the kohl out, and if you have any angular brush, it would also work. The main focus is to smudge the kohl out only on the concentrate area and do not go all out. Okay, now that I'm happy with my eye look, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a generous coat of mascara. And I always prefer waterproof mascaras because they hold the curl better and they stay on you all day long, and they doesn't move, doesn't budge, doesn't smudge, and stays intact throughout the day. Then I'm using a toner as my face mist to deal with all of the powderiness that I have on my skin. Then for my blush, I'm using the same lipstick that I have on my lips and I'm using it on my cheeks and it looks beautiful. I always prefer using lipsticks on my cheeks to get that beautiful monochromatic makeup look. So first apply it on your cheeks and then blend it with your finger, and it's that easy, it looks beautiful. And then to set the cream products on place, I'm using a little bit of loose powder. And that's it, using the same face mist to deal with the powderiness. And now let's move on to the highlighter. I always prefer stick highlighters over anything else when it comes to the natural makeup look. And look how beautiful it looks on the skin. It looks like you are glowing from within and it looks very natural, it stays intact, and the formula is so good. So this highlighter is bang on. Okay, now finishing off the makeup look with this lipstick, and this is in the shade Leon. This is my absolutely favorite. This is a warm nude and it goes so well with Indian skin tones. I'm so in love with it. And see how beautiful it looks with the smoky eye. So yeah, that's it, that's the finished look. I am so in love with this makeup look and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this makeup look, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.